My name's Ashley Herkins. I'm a third-year PhD student in FABI. I'm specifically studying biological engineering. The ASTM International, which is a regulatory organization that makes standards for various products, they don't have a specific standard for medical gloves once they're removed from their packaging in terms of their durability. So what we're trying to do is develop this device and hopefully implement it as part of an ASTM standard, so that way glove manufacturers have to use it. The purpose of the machine is to automatically detect pinhole-sized holes in a medical glove. We don the glove onto the prosthetic hand. The hand itself is 3D printed in our lab, and the two middle fingertips are made of sintered mufflers, so they're porous and they allow airflow through. We attach it at the wrist with a O-ring, and then we turn on the machine, and a roller with a piece of sandpaper on it touches the fingertips of the glove until it breaks. Whenever there's a tear or a puncture in the glove, that allows the air flow through to the base of the hand, setting off a pressure sensor, and that shuts off the machine automatically. The sprayers allow us to test different solvents on the glove, so it better simulates a real-world environment where surgeons getting their hands dirty. That way we can test, does the durability change or remain consistent when we're in a wet environment versus a dry environment. So we've tested deionized water, we've tested ethanol, and also phosphate buffered saline to simulate bodily fluids. This research is mainly for people in the medical field and anyone who uses gloves in a lab. One of the gloves we're testing is called a Waiuli latex glove. Primarily, we're testing up in the Worcester campus, up at Dr. Cornish's lab. They're sort of working on the glove creation and development, and I'm working on the testing of the mechanical properties of the glove. The next step is to find an actual manufacturer to build this thing as a real prototype that could be used by these glove manufacturers. And we've been in contact with a few manufacturers as of right now, but the hope is to ultimately implement it as part of an ASTM standard for all glove manufacturers in the US.